Friday 13th is perhaps a day with the most widespread superstition in the world. There is no evidence to support claims that this is an unlucky day, and many fear making critical decisions that could be clouded in doom. But when the Supreme Court declined to issue an advisory opinion on the date of the country's first ever general election, focus shifted to the three judges of the High Court to deliver a landmark ruling.
We are conscious that our findings may be unpopular with a section of Kenyans who have preconceived notions about the elections.
It confided IEBC Chairman Ahmed Isaac Hassan to a State House meeting for several hours. The IEBC was to issue a statement later in the evening, which it did not. The Prime Minister is said to have gone into consultations with close aides after the ruling, where he was reportedly advised not to go against the public mood. He is said to have expressed a preference for a December election. The court ruling drawing divided reactions elsewhere. There are those who thought the judgment was a soft landing that threw the debate into complicated technical interpretations.
I strongly disagree with the court's decision. I think that it hasn't properly followed the rules of interpretation. There is nowhere in the world where a term of parliament is construed as excluding the election period.
We shall respect their ruling, but I think a more substantive statement shall be forthcoming from the Secretary General's office once we have had a chance to study the ruling in detail.
The Commission on the Implementation of the Commission, CIC, supported the August date, saying Parliament alone cannot change the election date unless there is a referendum. It sought the court's interpretation.
This is the body that is mandated by the Constitution to determine that issue, and it has so determined.
Senior Deputy Solicitor General Muthoni Kimani said the judgment was a sign of the new dispensation in the judiciary. Lawyer Ian Bugwa, who represented politician Harun Mwao, who was a petitioner, said the verdict will be very difficult to appeal as it was balanced. Sentiments echoed by Tourism Minister Najib Balala.
Sisherehekei kwa sababu tunataka kuongezwa muda kama wabunge. Muda wa 2013 March ni haki kama vile muda kamili ya wabunge vile walioapishwa wakati wa 2008.
The Independent Electoral Boundaries Commission Chairman Isaac Hassan has in the past said it will be impractical to hold the general election in August because of logistics, while CIC backed the August date.